In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake air temperature sensor on this Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. It's located on the front top of your engine. You'll be able to access it between the alternator and AC compressor. Let's get started. Like I said, between the alternator and AC compressor, if you look right through it, you'll see this 2-wire connector. This is where your temperature sensor is located. Push on the tab, disconnect that connector. On the right-hand side of it, you'll see a little tab. You'll need a pocket screwdriver or a little pick to pry at that tab and then spin this counterclockwise. That's what's going to unlock this sensor. Try to pry this tab out, turn this counterclockwise. As you'll see, now it can spin. You'll have to turn it about 90 degrees, maybe a little bit less than that. Once you do, you'll notice that it stops. At that point, you can just wiggle it, pull straight out on it, and there it is. To reinstall, grab your new sensor, slide it in, try to line it up with approximately how it came out. Once you got that in, press it in until it bottoms out, and then twist it, and then turn it clockwise. There we go, a little bit more. You basically want that tab to lock back into where it was. You should not be able to unlock it anymore at this point without that pick. And plug in the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks. And there you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.